Hi, it's Charlie giving you Friday's live trading, and I hope you're very well. Sat here in the trading room, and it's actually 9:35 in the morning, and I've only just started this because basically I'd already started the video, and the sound wasn't working. So fortunately, I was only like 2 minutes into the recording because we haven't done any trading yet. I've been chatting away with the guys in the trading room here, we've done a whole session on trades of the week and whatnot. So we've done a load of stuff here chatting away this morning because there's not been any for me any identifiable trading opportunities. I think they might come this afternoon, but nothing yet here today. Now the euro, as I'm just starting recording this, is having a nice little down move here at the moment, but I don't just chase a single bar just because of a market is having a move. What it's actually just done in this past hour has hit the 4-hour 20, my blue moving average here, and is having a reaction to that. But I'm not going to do anything on that at the moment. So we're going to see how we get on, how the markets are moving, and as we go into this afternoon. So I'll come back to this later. Just back, and we are now at 1:30 in the afternoon, and not a lot going on. Now, you will look at this chart. This is an hourly chart of the pound and say, yeah, but Charlie, look how that sold off on the pound. Yeah, it did, but there was no reason for me with my style why to sell that. And it's the same with the euro. The euro came down. For me and my style, there was no reason to sell this little breakdown that we've had here. So I have to sit and wait for a setup to come along, which I'm still waiting for, which could still happen this afternoon, but it probably will be late this afternoon. So it's going to be the shortest live trading video on record for me, if that's the case. So I'll press pause. We'll keep it short at the moment because there might be a trade later, and then I'll be starting to talk through it all. Okay, so what the euro's done now is it's double bottomed. So I've been waiting for this to happen. So what I'm actually looking for now is an up move in the euro. And so if we can get this on the hourly chart here, it's 24 minutes past 2 on a Friday afternoon. So it's been quite a sluggish couple of days, really. Price action wise, yes, it had a run down here this morning, but I didn't have anything on that. And it's still within this overall range that it's been in, I guess, since making yesterday's lows. But if we can have a nice green candle come in at some point this afternoon, then I'll take a long on the euro, but that will be going into the weekend because it's not going to hit a target today, which is a shame because it's always nice for the live trading videos to have wrapped them up and you've got to your target, but it's not always the case going to be like that. So if we do get some up movement, then I will look to be long on the euro. Double bottom down here. If we go to the daily charts, I like the fact that the euro is down here. The daily 50 is facing up. We're pretty much on a long-term trend line here. If I take this out to a monthly chart, we've come down to this monthly long-term trend line as well. So I quite like the scope for it, and we've got divergences on the smaller time frames as well. So it's all setting up. I just need a little bit of strength to come in now, and then away we go. Just back here, and just going to finish off this video. We're just a few minutes in, really, and it's 5:45 in the evening. Not had a single trade here today, and so it's a no trade Friday. Looking back on it, yep, the euro had a bit of a move down. I was looking for a potential long, but it's 5:45 at night. It's too late for any live trading video today, so I'm going to call it a day. Some days you just have to take it that there's not enough going on for you. I'm going to have a quick look through a couple of the others. Choppy on the pound, so and the Aussie, a lot of them were doing similar sorts of things in that they've come down and made new lows. It wouldn't surprise me if we had an up push on Monday, but we're out of time for doing the live trading video, so I'll leave it at that today. Enjoy your weekends and be back in touch next week.